Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your PS5 to Epic Games. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the official Epic Games website. Log in to your Epic Games account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate your account name in the top right corner of the page and click on it. From the drop-down menu, select Account to access your personal settings. This is the crucial first step to begin the linking process. Now that you are in your account settings, look for the Connections tab on the left-hand side menu. Click on Connections and then select the Account subtab. Here, you will see a list of various platforms. Find the PlayStation Network option among them. Click the Connect button next to PlayStation Network. You will be redirected to the PlayStation website to authorize the connection securely. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete this authorization step. After authorizing on the PlayStation website, you will be redirected back to your Epic Games account. It is important to verify that the connection was successful. On the Connections page, under the Accounts tab, you should now see your PlayStation Network ID displayed next to the PlayStation Network option. The status should clearly indicate connected. This confirms that your PlayStation 5 console is now successfully linked to your Epic Games account, allowing for seamless integration. Linking your PS5 to Epic Games offers several fantastic benefits, including cross-progression for many games, meaning your progress carries over between platforms. You can also access shared purchases and your entire Epic Games library on your PlayStation 5. If you encounter any issues, a simple troubleshooting step is to unlink and then relink your accounts. This often resolves minor connection glitches, ensuring you can fully enjoy all the integrated features.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.